Welcome to Hard Biblical Questions, exploring Scripture's tough topics. In a world filled with suffering and evil, many question how a loving God could allow such things to exist. The answer can often be found in the gift of free will and the potential for spiritual growth. Our ability to choose right over wrong is foundational to human experience. Without the existence of evil, the choice to do good would be meaningless. Free will allows each of us to develop our character, enabling genuine love, compassion, and kindness to flourish. When we encounter hardship, it may seem that it's only meant for our detriment. However, Romans 8:28 reminds us, and we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love him. Even in our darkest moments, God can use suffering to bring about a greater good. It might refine us, teaching patience and resilience, or it may help us to develop empathy for others in their time of need. James 1 verse 2-4 encourages us with these words. Consider it pure joy, my brothers and sisters, whenever you face trials of many kinds, because you know that the testing of your faith produces perseverance. Let perseverance finish its work so that you may be mature and complete, not lacking anything. Trials, though painful, can be the catalyst for spiritual growth and maturity. We see this in the story of Joseph in Genesis 50, verse 20. Sold into slavery by his brothers, Joseph faced immense hardship. Yet he later told his brothers, "You intended to harm me, but God intended it for good to accomplish what is now being done, the saving of many lives." Through Joseph's trials, not only was his faith strengthened, but he also saved an entire nation from famine. So, while we might not understand every facet of God's plan, knowing that suffering and evil can foster free will and spiritual growth offers comfort. In these moments, we are invited to trust in God's wisdom and to remember that his love is enduring, working everything out for good in the grand tapestry of his divine purpose. Let the trials you face today shape the person you'll become tomorrow. Embrace the potential for growth and remember that every struggle has the capacity to lead to a brighter, more profound understanding. Thank you for watching Hard Biblical Questions. Please like, share, and subscribe.